taking a little pause on thrifting today, and I'm taking you along with me to see the big guy. Let's go check it out at Bachman's on Lyndale Avenue in Minneapolis. So for the entire month of December, I'm actually taking a break from Goodwill and thrifting and all of the things. I'm taking the entire month off, but I am going to bring you along with me to my favorite places to go at the holiday season during Christmas. I've done videos at Buffalo Nickel and I went to Tonkadale Nursery. And today we are at Bachman's. And everyone in Minneapolis will tell you, oh, I love that one. That one is this ginormous location in Minneapolis on Lyndale Avenue. This particular location goes back to 1885. It was a small vegetable farm on 4 acres of land right on Lyndale Avenue in South Minneapolis. And then by the mid-20s, the first official Bachman store opened right on this site. When you're touring Bachman's during the holidays, there is a historic family home right on this property that they have converted into like an idea house, and it's a whole showroom. The decor kind of changes to reflect the season. Oh, I love this section. Look at the pics and the things that you can do. This one was like velvet. It's just awesome. This whole entire area, this section where you walk in has the Christmas trees decorated, and we were making our way to the back corner to go and see Santa. That Santa performance is called Santa and Albert Holiday, and it is kind of a tradition for a lot of families. We have gone twice. Our grandson is going to be 2. He wasn't so crazy about the idea. You may have saw that in the picture. You'll see that again at the end. He wasn't so sure, but look, gorgeous. The quality of the items at Bachman's surpasses any other store with this kind of merchandise, in my opinion. This is like the Cadillac of holiday and decor. They had a whole section of 50% off, which was awesome. And then as you weave your way through, there's a cafe. Well, I'll show you all that. But as you weave your way through, there's also a section where the things are deeply discounted, like 75% off of the prior year and the holiday. This is a place you could absolutely and should absolutely come for your Christmas shopping. So I am taking the entire month of December off from quote unquote work. I am not going to be in the Goodwill stores. I am not going to be going thrifting. I am not going to be going to the bins or the church rummage sales. I'm taking the month off, and I did this last year, but I didn't have a YouTube channel, but I'm doing what I want to do this month, which is awesome to be able to say that I can do that. I am still selling and shipping things out on eBay, but what I want to spend my time doing is simply this. These types of places are my happy place. I think you can see why. It's just you can get lost here. Oh, look who needs a new hip. Got any recommendations? This guy is going to need a hip replacement. That's a whole nother video, but if you have any recommendations of someone you liked, please tell me. He overdid it this summer and it all came together. So, which when you're a dog walker, not so good, but we're muddling through. We're okay. He had that cortisone shot. So this place, it is when December hits, Bachman's on Lyndale turns into a wonderland. It really, really is something. We're back now in the area that has gifts all season long. And of course, it's changed for the holiday for Christmas time. But if you need a gift, if you need flowers, if you need home decor, it's memories. I remember being here when I was younger. This place really, really hits the mark. It's gigantic. So this back section is more than just a farm or garden or flower store. It's like a boutique. It's like gift sale. There's gifts for sale back here, home decor, housewares, vintage style. So when you're in that section back here, you're not just seeing gardening things. You're walking into a small home goods store. I loved these signs. We are Minnesota, land of 10,000 lakes. Lake Minnetonka is such a beloved place for so many of us in the Twin Cities area. We are lucky enough to be able to spend some time there. I loved that sign. That was awesome. So this section, I was noticing that they carry Faribault woolen mills. There were candles. I think we're coming around here. Candles from Illume. They just had a warehouse sale. I wish I would have gone to that. But those are local vendors here that if you live in the Minneapolis area that you're very familiar with. This is that Illume candle area. They have also here in Minneapolis a Times warehouse sale that's on the fairgrounds in the fall. That's a great place to go pick up gifts as well. So back here, candles, vases, handbags, jewelry, furniture style, pillows, accent pieces. You can find something back here literally for anyone. So if you're looking for somewhere to go for, I have one set of friends that still like to exchange gifts at Christmas time. If you're looking for somewhere to go that you're just not sure what to get, but when you get here, you'll find it, this is that type of place. You're not really sure what to buy. You didn't know about those things. That's what this gift shop in Bachmans is all about. And then the fresh flowers, of course, are back here as well because Bachmans is known for being a garden center. One of the best known brands that was born from Bachman's is Department 56. Those are those collectible holiday villages, the ornaments, the figurines. Department 56 started as like a gift import. It kind of spun off as another different section or different area. My mom used to collect those, and that's what we used to get her all the time for holidays. This is their cafe. So you can stop and get a coffee and a hot chocolate. So there's somewhere to eat here. It's that big. This is where we took a few pictures by this gorgeous poinsettia tree in kind of the center area before we kind of met there. Our family, our younger son just got engaged. So we're very, very, very excited about that. She wasn't able to join us. She was working at the U of M when we were there. So we're very excited about that, to have an upcoming wedding. But the poinsettias, they were really reasonably priced and such a great selection of them. Of course, the basic red, but they had the cute pinks and blues and purples and all the different colors as well. So what's cool is some of the pieces and the things in the room, they fill rooms, like they show you how to decorate your whole, your whole area of your house back here. So if you love decorating, it's got like cozy cottage style. Some of the pieces are like urban, lofty, retro, rustic. Bachman's just has a mix of styles. It's kind of like a buffet. There's just really something for everyone's taste. We're heading back now to actually go see Santa. And I think there was like a little cookie thing going on back there. But as we were walking back, you get to a section before you hit where the outdoor items are. How cute that is. You go to a section where there's just gifts for the little ones back there on the way to Santa, which I thought was very clever because we had to get a couple of gifts. I let our grandson pick it out. So we got a couple of gifts. Okay, these purple ones and these sparkle ones, not my favorite. Do you guys like the kind of the almost, I don't know, they just don't look real to me, but I think people really do like those fancy sparkly ones. I have started collecting houseplants now. We have a porch and it's a four season, but in Minnesota it's kind of like a three season. I had to pull them all out in the winter months here because it gets a little cold, although it's heated and whatnot, but it gets a little cold. It's all windows. So I am now into houseplants, which I don't know why I hadn't been for so long. But so now I see that's a really awesome price. We're back in the discounted item area where you can find things that were deeply discounted back here. So again, if you're looking for gift items or if you're just looking to refresh your home with some seasonal items, this back here had a lot of inventory that was deeply, deeply discounted. So again, if you're trying to follow along, we're still on our way back to going to find Santa. So take a peek back here. This has a lot of things for a lot, not just seasonal. There were a lot of items back here that you could see. So here we are. There's a long hallway that brings you right back to, and I don't know, I don't know what goes on behind these little decorated doors, but there's a long hallway that you go to get back to this little seated area back in the farthest back corner. You get to go see Santa back here, and they were good sports. Those were my boys. And the best part was bringing that little guy. He wasn't so sure what to make of it. Didn't he look cute in his little fisherman sweater? You should come here. You should come here and bring your family. It looks as though, and we heard people talking, this has been a tradition that's gone on for many, many years. The little play that they do, the little performance is adorable. And then afterwards, you just line up and you're able to take your photo with Santa. It really, really was a special time. I would highly, highly recommend that you visit Santa at Bachman's on Lyndale.